Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and we're going to continue our studies. We are dividing radicals. So, division of square root or just radicals. Here we have the square root of 4/9. So we have a fraction over a radical sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the fraction and divide it into two parts. We're allowed to do that. And put a square root sign over the 4 and a square root sign over the 9. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 9 is 3. So our answer for the square root of 4/9 would be 2/3. So here's another one. 6 square root of 10 divided by or over the square root of over 3 radical 2. So we're going to separate this into the coefficients. 6 over 3, that'll be multiplied by the radical parts, square root of 10 over the square root of 2, so we can reduce 6 over 3, that'll give us 2, and here we have 10 over 2 in the radical. We can combine those together, put those back as a fraction, and reduce those. So 10 divided by 2 would give you 5, so we would have our answer as 2 radical 5. So basically the steps are divide the coefficients to find the coefficient of the quotient. Step 2, divide the radicand, that's the inside numbers, and that will give you the radicand of the quotient. And step 3, if possible, simplify the results. So here's our first question. So we have square root of 12 over 48. All right, well, how do we begin this? Well, let's see. Well, I notice that 12 over 48, I could reduce this by dividing it by 12, both top and bottom, and I would have square root 12 divided by 12 is 1, 48 divided by 12 is 4. So I really have the square root of 1 over 4, and I can break that into two parts. Square root of 1 over the square root of 4, and the square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2, so my answer would be 1/2. So my answer for that would be 1/2. Now take a look at how I did it. So let's pull this out. I broke up 12 into square root of 4 times the square root of 3. And I also broke up 48 into the square root of 16 times the square root of 3. So if you see my video on simplifying radicals, that's where I got those numbers from. I used the largest perfect square that goes into them. So the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. So this would cancel up here. So let's use this color. So the 3's would cancel out, or cancel down to 1. And the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. So I'd have 2 times 1 on the top, 2 times 1 on the top, which equals 2, and 4 times this 1, which would give me 4. So my answer would be 2/4, but we know 2/4 is also 1/2 when we reduce that. So we would still get 1/2. So either way you do it, whether you want to simplify first, which is great, or you notice that you can reduce your fraction, give it a try. Hopefully you'll get the same answer. So I hope you understood what we just did. Here's a question for you. Divide and simplify 20 radical 50 over 4 radical 2. So check out the answers. If you have a question, write it down, bring it in tomorrow. I'll be glad to answer it. I hope you understand so far. If you need to rewatch the video, please do. Here's one more question for you. I think you'll like it. 2/3 times the square root of 144 over 64. So bring in your answer. I hope you found the lesson easy and quite short to deal with, because I think you'll have success with it. So watch the video again. If you have questions, bring them in. This is Dr. Robinson. See you tomorrow in class. Bye-bye.